It's early morning breakfast.
Out those candles.
She blew out the candles. What are you guys doing? Walter, come have a seat and eat. What are we doing today?
Hiking.
Hiking. But first, breakfast. It is a super nice, whatever day it is. Well, it's Saturday, but I don't know the date. 20-something. Right? Memorial weekend.
That's it's Memorial Weekend.
And we're not in Miami Beach, which is always a good thing on Memorial Weekend, to not be in Miami Beach.
Daddy?
Good morning. It is a good morning. Megan's not a morning person.
Especially not today.
Well, but losing sleep for the reason you lost sleep is not a bad thing. Tell him what Walter was doing.
Well, I had to get out of bed because I was squished by everybody. So I went to go sleep in Walter's bed. And then Walter came to lay next to me. He had a bad dream and it was very cute. And then every hour he woke me up to tell me something cute. Like, I can't live without you, Mom. Mom, I just want to see your beautiful face. Stuff like that. So I didn't sleep last night. Maybe one solid hour added up.
The guilty party.
Hey, you monster. Get you in my sleep.
Dun da da!
I had a bad attitude for breakfast.
What? You have a bad attitude?
a bad attitude for breakfast. I'm so sleepy.
Do you want me to make you a cup of coffee to go?
Yeah,
Okay.
that'd be nice.
I have your fix-it.
It's significantly.
All right, we are finally all packed up and everybody is out the door.
Dad, I'm being pregnant.
All right, bud. Interesting. We are doing a hike called Rough Ridge.
It's not rough yet.
2.5 mile round trip. Supposed to be epic views. We shall see. This is a pretty view. Distracted taking pictures and the kids disappeared with the GoPro. Found them. Made it to the top of Rough Ridge. You can see the viaduct, Grandfather Mountain. Start the trip down. All right, our hike is complete. What'd you guys think about it?
It was yucky
Why?
because it takes so long.
It didn't
Daisy,
take
what did you
long
think
at
of
all.
the hike?
It was only an hour and 40 minutes, and we were hanging out at the top for like probably 20 minutes of that.
I want to do it again.
We will do it again one day. Boone Fork Trail off the Blue Ridge Parkway, just outside of Blowing Rock, about 10 miles outside of Blowing Rock. Very fantastic.
Until we go to
All right.
this hike again.
All right,
Now
let's
what-
buckle up and get a sandwich.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat.
Our daily bread. At Daily Bread in Boone.
Sure.
What
Okay.
did they have? A ham sandwich last time?
Yeah. All right. See you at lunch. These two are so cute, walking and talking about their favorite things. We are headed to Daily Bread for lunch. I'm starving, and everyone's cranky and losing their minds. You want to tell the story? What just happened? No?
Totally even.
It's just that your plate's bigger.
All right. It is the end of an adventurous day. The kids are in timeout, right?
What's your timeout face?
Do you have a timeout face? And we're cooking dinner, which is sausages and pasta sauce. And what else do I have going inside? Daisy wanted ramen noodles and cooked carrots, so let's go in here. Pasta. And I'll have to do a better tutorial. But this is a convection microwave, and we're baking croissants because Walter wanted croissants. And it works pretty super awesome. So it's been a great day, and we'll see what dinner comes out looking like. What are you doing now?
Dad, this is to wash out that fire.
Yep, in an emergency. Why are we starting a fire?
Because we're going to roast marshmallows.
Roasting marshmallows.
And because we buy some here, you need to sample them.
All right.
I can do it.
What do you guys got there? Marshmallow sticks.
Yep. Those are
All
mine.
right. Oh, it's not even recording. Now it's recording.
There we go. Oops, I got something.
What do you think, bud? Mmm.
Is it gooey? Can I bite?
All right, we're back on another adventure in Pisgah National Forest. I forget the name of the waterfall we're going to, but we just passed this super cool place, Brown Mountain Beach Resort, which is like a campground, but they had like these little cabins, and then they had yurts right on the river that looked super awesome that I want to go back and check out on the way out of here. But this road we're driving on
It's super bumpy.
is super bumpy and super dusty, and we're in the mountains for sure. All right, this is Harper Creek Falls Trail. 2.8 miles round trip, moderate hike. From what I read, the first initial quarter mile's the strenuous part, and after that it flattens out.
Is the air thinner or am I crazy? All right, I'd say that first quarter mile of this hike, I keep forgetting the name of it. Hold on, I'll check. First quarter mile of the hike was a little more strenuous than moderate, but it's kind of flattened out now that we're on top of the ridge. And yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
We found waterfalls. Be careful, Dad.
Careful, Dad.
All right, quick recap of the weekend. So let's start with Saturday. What did we do Saturday? So Saturday we did Rough Ridge Trail,
Oh, yes.
which is just outside of Blowing Rock, like 8 miles from Blowing Rock on the Blue Ridge Parkway. That was a fantastic hike.
Yeah, beautiful views at the end.
2.5 miles out and back, so round trip, moderate hike. That one was awesome.
Yeah, I would say it's like the most medium hike. It wasn't too rough. There were some parts where you had to like step up. There was a little boardwalk area. It's definitely something kids could do. And then
So Sunday we did the
went to church.
we went to church, and then
On
we
Sunday
redid the
morning.
bathroom, sink, and countertop. That was a project that's been on the list, so that was good.
Yeah.
And then Monday, Memorial Day, we did a hike. I keep forgetting the name of it.
Well, it was in Pisgah National Forest.
Yeah, some waterfall. All right, we're back.
You just had to look it up on the
I had to
app.
look it up. Harper Creek Falls Trail. It was 2.8 miles out and back, moderate.
It felt like more.
Felt a little longer. Well, it would have been 2.8, but we like hiked down and up to the water a few times, so that probably added
Yeah.
like a total of 3.
This hike was definitely a little bit more difficult, more challenging. There were like some narrow parts. There was like rocky areas. You're going uphill. Like it got pretty steep in some areas. This one was a little bit
I
more
feel like
difficult.
the first part was super steep, and then after that it was pretty flat.
Yeah, and then we got to the end of the trail and we could see the waterfall, but I keep covering your face. But to get